Hello everyone, today we're gonna take a look at this LEGO Ninjago Dragons Rising set. Sora is transforming bike racer. This is a mech but also a bike, contains 384 pieces and retail 85 New Zealand dollars. Luckily I got this with a discount, so I only paid 65 New Zealand dollars. And of course, we're gonna open this up, build it, and take a detailed look at this set today. But before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. And here we are, let's open this up. And here we are, we have finished building Sora's transformation mech bike racer, and of course we're going to demonstrate how the transforms work, but first we're going to take a look at the minifigures. And here are the 3 minifigures and the baby dragon included in this set. So we've got the baby Ryu, Arin, Repton, and Sora. First we're going to take a look at the baby dragon. So this is baby Ryu here. One of the main reasons I bought this set is a very cute little baby dragon. It's a lovely animal mold, and it's got some printing for the patterns. To be honest, I think this particular baby dragon has the potential to have a How to Train a Dragon Lego set. I think it looks very similar to Toothless. If it's black, definitely Lego can make a How to Train Your Dragon set. Next, we have Arin. This is a new Ninjago minifigure. I don't know much about the characters because I haven't been watching the Ninjago Dragon Rising, but he has a pretty cool accessory here, which I like very much. Overall, the minifigure is excellent, lovely coloring, and then you've got this new not helmet, but new headpiece here. You can see 2 horns. You can actually remove it and reveal his face. Let me just pull his bandana out, or well, not bandana, but the mouth cover out, and then we can take a better look at the minifigure. So unfortunately, this set doesn't come with additional hairpiece, so you have to either have it without the hair or put the headgear on. And you can see some very cool printing on the minifigure, and I really like this minifigure face as well. Next, we have Repton, the villain included in this set. This is another pretty cool minifigure. What I like is his sword. I thought it was 2 pieces, but actually it's just 1 piece. And this design of the sword kind of looks like some of the weapons that you see in the recent Legend of Zelda game, which I like very much. For the minifigure, he does have alternate facial expression, which I like the design quite well, and you can see some very cool printing on his torso and legs as well. So another excellent minifigure. And the final minifigure is Sora. This is another excellent minifigure. Another reason that I bought this set, and there's so much details in this minifigure. First, the design really reminds me the samurai pizza can. I think this character may be inspired by that series, but I don't know. Maybe if I get a chance to ask the designer some question, that would be nice. But she has this unique headgear, which very cool. It's dual mode as well. And then I need to remove her mouthpiece so I can show you some other details, which makes this minifigure really cool. So there's her facial expression. She has alternate facial expression. You can see the back printing with all the gear put on. You can't really see this back printing, but you've got this cat here, so you can see all the design and the details on this minifigure. So this is a really cool minifigure that I like very much. Before we get to the bike, we still have Repton's ride here. It's a pretty simple build, but I quite like the design, and he has quite strong firepower as well. You can see not just 2 disc shooter, but you got 4 of them here. A sticker to give it a bit more decoration. I really like the use of sword to give this angle and shape. And now we have the ride here. I really like the color scheme. I did enjoy the building experience. I haven't been something similar before, so it's kind of refreshing for me. But really, the highlight for me is the color combination. It does have a few stickers, but it's not that difficult to apply. Now, unfortunately, due to the transformation mechanism, some of the parts of the bike might move around, but that's okay. It's not like it will fall apart. It just means that if you want it to display as a bike, sometimes it might not, stay in the position that you want. And also, despite having 3 wheels, it can't really balance itself unless you get it to the right position. And now let's transform this bike into the Mech. So it's actually pretty easy. You just bring the legs up front, and then you can move the body like this, and then you've got the arms got some articulation, and then you remove two sword from here, and then you can attach to underneath the arms like this. And the Mech also have some disc shooter as well, so there's enough firepower. You've got two flags here. You can put it up and then open this a little bit to give you a bit more shape. So this is how it looks like when it is in the Mech form. One thing though, despite all the details, this is the first time that Mech doesn't really have a control panel. So if I go in here, you can see that there's nothing, no steering, no control panel. That's just simple of different color bricks here. So this is a little bit disappointing, to be honest. Having said that, the overall Mech itself looks pretty cool and really give that anime feel, if you know what I mean. And this is Sora's transformation Mech bike racer. I actually like this set. I think the color scheme, the whole transformation feature works pretty well, despite some flaws when you're trying to display as a bike, and with three excellent minifigures and a very cute baby dragon. I really satisfied with the end results. Now this set is quite expensive without discount, because without discount it's 85 New Zealand dollars, and you get to be honest, without discount I think it should be something around 55, makes more sense. So I'm glad I got a discount, just because some of the store typically give 20% off at least. I would still recommend this set though, just because not just the Mech, but if you're a fan of unique minifigures, this set comes with some very cool minifigures without you buying some other set, because pretty much you get some cool new parts just from buying this. Do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming updates, and I'll see you next time.